Looking for a simple way to earn passive income with crypto? Aifeex might have caught your attention with its bold claims and an AI-powered investment platform that supposedly lets you earn daily profits just by downloading an app and clicking a few buttons to activate trading bots. Sounds incredibly easy, almost too easy, right? That's exactly why it deserves a closer look. On the surface, Aifeex markets itself as a futuristic, user-friendly way to grow your USDT without needing any trading knowledge. But once you scratch beneath the surface, things start to look suspicious. First off, there's zero transparency about who actually owns or runs Aifeex. There are no names, no company registration details, and no way to verify whether the people behind it have any real experience in finance or AI. That's already a huge red flag when your money is on the line. The website was only registered in October 2024 and is protected by privacy services, which makes it nearly impossible to trace. This kind of secrecy is typical of scam operations, especially those originating from regions like Southeast Asia, where several similar platforms have popped up and disappeared overnight. Aifeex also doesn't offer any real product or service. It's not selling software, courses, or tools. Instead, the whole model seems to rely heavily on user recruitment and vague promises of high returns, which is a hallmark of pyramid schemes. Think about it, promises of 1 to 2% profit per day just by pressing a button? No real financial institution or trading algorithm can guarantee that kind of return consistently without extreme risk, and yet Aifeex offers no trading proof, no third-party audits, and no legal disclosures. The whole click-to-earn concept seems like a gimmick designed to make users feel in control while diverting attention from what might actually be happening in the back-end, redistributing funds from new users to pay off earlier ones. While this review isn't meant to be blindly negative or fear-mongering, it's definitely not positive either. The reality is, there are just too many unanswered questions and shady details surrounding Aifeex to take its claims at face value. Before you put any money into something that sounds this effortless, ask yourself if it's really this easy and legit. Why isn't everyone doing it? And more importantly, why is it hiding so much? Stay sharp and think twice before investing.